To draw trade lines on Robinhood, you will need to utilize the platform's advanced trading interface, which offers enhanced tools, including the ability to draw various lines and indicators. Begin by logging in to your Robinhood account on your browser and navigating to the relevant section. Next, open the stock chart by searching for and selecting the stock you wish to analyze. Once the stock's detailed information and charts are displayed, you can use the drawing tool. At the top of the chart, you will find icons representing different drawing tools. If these icons are not visible, you can expand the widget to make the chart area wider. Select the Trendline tool to draw a line connecting 2 points on the chart that represent support and resistance levels. Simply click on the icon, choose a line color, and connect the 2 points. You can draw trend lines according to the stock charts and also use other tools, such as trade channels, rays, or extended lines, to further analyze price movements. By following these steps, you can effectively draw trade lines on Robinhood.